Hello, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak, once more available to see one more important topic, that is work done in rotating an electric dipole in electric field. And thereafter we will see the another topic, that is the potential energy of a dipole in the electric field. So first of all, we are going to calculate only the work done in rotating an electric dipole in electric field. Thereafter we will calculate the potential energy of the dipole. Right? To see the work done in rotating an electric dipole in electric field, first of all see carefully here. Let this parallel line denotes the presence of uniform electric field. Uniform electric field in this direction. See carefully. Here in this uniform electric field, let us consider a dipole is kept. Dipole is two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance 2L forms a dipole moment. This dipole moment which works here, see carefully, this dipole moment work is a P in the direction from negative to positive. So dipole moment, and this is direction of electric field. Let this angle is here given theta. Right? So when it is kept in electric field, it experiences two forces F. One force in this direction and another force here in this direction. The tendency of couple of force when a dipole kept in electric flux experiences pair of force. See, one force is in this side, another force is in this side. When a dipole is kept in electric field, this dipole is kept in the electric field and it experiences force. This experiences a pair of force, right? And tendency of pair of force, what is this? To rotate dipole along E. To rotate the dipole along E. So pair of force, in that condition, torque is given by, here in this, tau is equal to PE sin theta and represented by equation number 1. Is that clear? Dipole is kept in electric field. So pair of forces acting on this, the tendency of this pair of force is to rotate the dipole along E. Now when this torque is given by, see, let this rotate angle theta due to it. Now see, if this rotate angle theta, now for very small rotation d theta, see very carefully here, the dipole, this angle is here d theta and this total is also theta here, right? is d theta. Now the very small rotation work done dw is equal to tau d theta. Work is equal to, in the rotatory motion, the work is equal to torque into angular rotation. It is represented by equation 2. So total rotation या total work done or net work done, W is equal to integration of dw from 0 to theta, or it is 0 to theta tau d theta. Now tau is given Pe sin theta d theta. P is outside, it is 0 to theta sin theta d theta. Since we are knowing that integration of sin theta is minus cos theta 0 to theta. Clear it is? So now putting this value of limit here, we may say it is equal to Pe. First of all, upper limit, that is minus cos theta minus minus plus cos 0. Theta is 0, 0 to theta. Now it becomes Pe. Cos 0 is 1. It is 1 minus cos theta. The work done to rotate a dipole in electric field is given by this equation number 3. This is W is equal to Pe 1 minus cos theta. Now this is formula to calculate work done to rotate a dipole in electric field. That is W is equal to Pe 1 minus cos theta. Now we are considering the two cases here. The first, if we rotate dipole through 90 degree. If we rotate 90 degree, then work done is equal to Pe 1 minus cos 90. Since cos 90 is 0, then work done is equal to Pe. So rotating through 90 degree, the work done is given by this formula. Now second case, if we rotate dipole through 180 degree in electric field, then W is equal to Pe 1 minus cos 180 degree. Since cos 180 is equal to minus 1, then it's become W is equal to Pe 1 minus minus 1. It becomes W is equal to Pe 1 plus 1. This is W is equal to 2Pe, double of it. So on rotating angle, suppose it is along it, we rotate through 90 degree. Work done is a Pe 180, 2Pe, 28, 364 Pe. Here in this, these are the formula to calculate work done at a rotation of 180 degree, 90 degree and a certain angle theta. Now we are going to the second things, that is the potential energy of a dipole in electric field. Now this potential energy of a dipole in electric field, to do this, see the concept very carefully, how we are going to calculate the potential energy of a dipole here in the electric field. So to calculate it, first of all, see very carefully, let this parallel line represents the availability of uniform electric field. This is uniform electric field in this direction, right? Now see very carefully, a dipole, see this dipole is here, minus q plus q separated by a distance, two equal and opposite charges. Initially this dipole was at infinity and it is brought in the electric field, and we want to see what is work done to bringing this dipole from infinite to here, because we are knowing potential energy of P stand for potential energy of a dipole is amount of work done to bring a dipole from infinite to electric field. See very carefully what I want to see. My topic is to calculate the potential energy of a dipole in electric field. A dipole is here, dipole what is a dipole? Equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance, in which a dipole moment P acts from negative to positive, right? And it is kept. And here also two forces act, F here and another one force here, pair of forces and dipole moment. All the directions were mentioned. So what is the concept? Bringing a dipole from infinite to here is required to do the work. So this work done, see in the box, what is the potential energy of a dipole? Potential energy of a dipole is amount of work done. Which work done? To bring a dipole from infinite to electric field. This is, so here we will calculate, because this work done is stored here in the form of potential energy within the dipole. This work done, one more important type, work done, this work done stores in dipole in form of potential energy. The second concept must be clear to everyone. Then we can understand the concept of potential energy of a dipole within electric field. It's clear? Now see, when it is brought in the dipole, minus q charge है, when have to do extra, to travel extra distance to L. So from infinite to positive charge, plus q will move here at point B, let here, but negative charge will come at point A. So it will travel 2L distance more than the positive charge. So this point first of all clear in mind. Minus q charge will travel 2L distance extra in comparison to plus q charge. Clear it is when you are bringing from here to here. So in electric field, so this is electric field, we are bringing in here. So negative charge have to travel. So we are thinking in this way that positive charge is at the end of electric field. So consider my point. So no need to work done to bring plus q charge. So the work done is only to bring minus q charge from infinite to 2l distance. The work will be done only in the within electric field, and this total area is the infinite. It is considered in such a way, the calculation are made in such a way. In that condition, work done W is equal to force into distance. What is the force acting here? Force is acting QE and distance is 2L. So we may write it is 2QL into E. Since 2QL is called dipole moment, we have already defined it. So this work done is PE. Since work is a scalar quantity and both is a vector quantity, so it is a dot product of both, and it can be represented as a equation number 1 in this case. Since negative charge have traveled to more distance, so it is a minus q minus 2 minus p. This work done is equal to stored energy. So stored potential energy U is equal to U naught is minus P, represented by equation number 2. We have just defined, what just defined? That is work done in rotating dipole through angle theta is equal to W is equal to PE 1 minus cos theta. We have just defined just before this topic here in this lecture. W is equal to PE 1 minus cos theta, and it is given in equation number particular equation number in this, and here in the second part we are representing is as equation number 3, right? Now this work is also, when we rotate the dipole, stores in form of potential energy also. It also stores. Hence total increase in potential energy of a dipole U is equal to U naught, bringing energy from infinite to here, plus rotating work 1 minus cos theta. So U0 is PE cos theta and plus PE 1 minus cos theta. So it is PE cos theta plus PE, 1 minute, this is U0 is PE not cos theta, PE minus cos theta. So PE minus PE cos theta. So here this is minus PE. So minus PE plus PE is cancel, or now it's become total energy is minus PE cos theta in the system, which is given by the formula here, right? Now it is equation represented by this. So this is a formula to calculate potential energy of a dipole to bring in electric field, right? So thank you for today and have a nice day to all.